Hi, this is Tim McGaffin II. I'm soaking these mushrooms in 11.5 strong Kangen water, and I'll show you what comes off of them here. Let's see, they're right here in 11.5, and I'm going to take these mushrooms out and I'll show you what remains. Okay, so I took the mushrooms out of the 11.5 strong Kangen water here on the left, and you can see here's the mushrooms here in the drainer. And look at the color that remains. So at home, go ahead and try washing your mushrooms off in pesticide wash or your tap water or bottled water or your filtered water, and compare the color here to what you get at home. And so this water here from the Kangen water machine, right here, when you push this button,
strong acidic water.
It says strong acidic water 2.5. So the 2.5 comes out of this bottom hose down here, and I collected it here in this green glass. And so this is really good for disinfecting. It kills MRSA, kills flesh-eating bacteria, E. coli, salmonella, strep. But the 11.5 comes out of this top hose there, and that's what I collected here, the 11.5, and this removes pesticides. And so we have a study that proves that this water removes pesticides. Check out my other videos. Check out my pesticide playlist here on this video platform. I should have a playlist, or do a search on my channel for the other videos showing what comes off the other fruits and vegetables when I wash them in this 11.5 strong Kangen water. Crackle Pop is highly antioxidant. That's what you want to be drinking. This is the good, healthy alkaline water. This is not the bad alkaline water, but the good. So now, poison in a bottle. Keep your eye on this light bulb. Dead water. Okay, I'll put it back into the Kangen water over here. Living water. So it's the same tea bag, but now it's different water. It's the Kangen water. Woo-hoo! I'm gonna drain this one out. The greatest thing you can do in your life is to get back up when you get knocked down. Champions never quit.